Rupa Goswami is our Guru. Narottam Das Thakur said, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hai Vyaku Kave Hama Bujhavasi. If we want to understand the transcendental position of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then we have to go through Guru Parampara system. Otherwise it is not. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hai Vyaku. Unless we accept this process, unless we submit, this whole process is submission. Krishna wants this. Sarvadharman Parityajya. So, if you want to approach Krishna, you have to become very submissive. And to whom? Krishna is not here. To whom I say submit? No, to his devotee, to his representative. The business is submission.